I'm Sakshi. I'm a computer science engineer. I pursued my engineering from Visvesvaraya Technological University. Post that, I started working in a startup. There, I was working in a team of 10 to 12 people, and I was directly reporting to the CTO. I saw him interacting with people from finance, sales, and legal department. I too wanted to be a part of such a discussion. That's when I decided to write CAT and started preparing for CAT. So for the D-Day, you should not panic, and the key for the last day is keeping yourself calm and get enough sleep a day before. And the strategy which I followed for every section was for VARC. I personally feel that guesswork is not meant for VARC, and you might feel that this option is correct, but that might not be the right strategy. And for DILR, I was able to get around 98 percentile. The strategy which I followed was selecting the set beforehand and not just going in a particular order. Instead, you just focus on selecting a particular set and then go on solving that. And if at all you are stuck on a particular set, just drop that and go for the next one. I started to prepare for CAT along with my job. I was dedicating at least half an hour or few hours on weekends. And this is the last mile, this is the last week for the CAT. And now the focus should be majorly on revising the concept. Instead of starting off new topics, you should only focus on what your strong areas are. And you must be focusing on rectifying your mistakes. And this is the time where you must keep yourself calm and don't try to write mocks at the end moment. And whatever preparation you have done, this is good enough. All the best for your exam, and always remember that if you are brave enough to start, then you are strong enough to finish.